Hello everyone, welcome to Beauty Attraction. Today I am going to tell you how to get rid of black underarms for good. Let's get started. Milk and saffron. Saffron is a great ingredient to whiten the armpits. Combine this ingredient with the goodness of milk by taking 2 tablespoons of it and soaking a few strands of saffron in it. Apply this mix on the affected patch using a cotton ball. Let it stay for a few minutes before rinsing it off. This will also kill germs and bacteria that lead to body odor. Lemon. Lemon is the best natural bleaching agent which also has antiseptic and antibacterial properties. Just take a thick lemon wedge and rub it on the dark area. You can even rub lemon juice using a cotton ball. Wash the area well after application and use some moisturizer on top. Lemon helps to remove dead skin cells and lighten your skin naturally. Potato. Potato is a great vegetable that has skin lightening properties. Just rub a slice of potato on your underarm area for a few minutes. Do this regularly to see the results. You can also grate a potato and use its juice on the area. Sandalwood. Take some sandalwood powder and mix it with either rose water or milk to make a paste. Apply this paste on the affected patch and let it dry, then rinse it off. This paste will lighten the dark areas and will leave you with fresh and fragrant skin. Use this paste every day for quick results. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a natural bleaching agent. It also takes care of many skin problems like body odor, acne, dark spots, and blemishes. Mix some apple cider vinegar with either baking soda or rice flour to make a paste and apply this under your arms. Wash it off after a few minutes to feel the difference. Orange. Save the peel when you eat oranges because they can be used to lighten your skin tone. Keep the peels under the sun for a few days, then grind the dried peels to make a powder. Mix this with rose water and milk to make a thick paste of it. Use this as a scrub cum pack for your underarms. Keep it on for at least 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off. This would help you to get rid of the dead skin cells. Thank you for watching Beauty Attraction. Do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more updates.